What's up, my YouTube woodworking friends? Hey, listen, your worktops, right? One of my worktops has workbenches has a top that I put on to do bigger projects, right? But here's a little tip about your work surface, right? Let me take you down to the table. This work surface is just some Baltic birch ply, and I work with a lot of Baltic birch, so it's the width of Baltic birch, 5x5. All right. One of the things is, if I glue a lot of things I glue up things to this top, right? So every once in a while, you get these glue leftovers, right? See them here, see them here, see them here. Every once in a while, it's a good idea to sand your bench top, because these, will telegraph into your wood surface. Whatever you're working on, you're sanding something on here, that little mark, that little clump of glue that's left over there, you can scrape it off, but I just sand it off and it just gives me a nice smooth surface again. This will telegraph into your wood. So like if you're plywood or softwood or any type of wood, and you start sanding, you're going to see little marks in the wood surface, and that's where they're coming from. These little nasties. Clean your top. Be well, be blessed. Until the next time, be safe in your shop or on your job site.